live a dream life. Never been a runner, held back and held it under.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up Square Photography, bring you back another video today. As you see, I have with me
Miss Mercedes Marie again, baby.
Miss Mercedes Marie. It has been a good grip since Miss Mercedes Marie been around. Is that true?
Yeah.
I have not worked with Mercedes ever since the cowgirl thing we did up in the horse park, which came out absolutely amazing, I believe so.
Yep.
So that was probably about almost last year around this time. Not around this time, it was July, somewhere that time, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was like July, August.
Yeah, it was somewhere that time. But that was hot that day.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're out here, man. She got this nice, elegant dress on today with the white on white. I'm gonna hit her with some on-camera flash type thing. I did a situation on this probably about a few videos back where I just using up an on-camera flash. So I'm gonna use this whole entire time on-camera flash. This is kind of getting it to go now, right about now. So I may not need too much of the flash, but I'm gonna hit it with on-camera flash. We're using up the 50mm lens, and we're gonna just kind of knock this out, right?
Yep. Let's do it. I'm excited. The sun's going down. We gotta go.
All right, guys. And then, of course, you want to work with Miss Mercedes for all stuff. It's going to be a skip look what's going to pop up the screen by fucking now. Anything else you want to say, Miss K?
Nope. Make sure you follow me because this is going to be fire.
All right, man. Just go ahead and follow. Man. You ready to get to work?
Yep.
All right, guys. Let's get to work, man. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. All right. Now, I got to hide my shadow. All right, this is a test shot. God, wait, man. This is... Take a step over. Yeah, right there.
As long as you don't.
Shit, hang on. Got the tripod shadow in there. Okay. Yep, there we go. Look at that. Ooh, fire already. We doing good shit, don't I? I gotta get out the way. Take a step over that way.
Come on. I done got this stance for a reason. That's my stance. You hear me?
Just one more, take it one more step. There we go. Perfect. Now you're good.
Okay, let me do it like this then. See, I don't want it to move. I want my hair to be exactly in that spot.
Good job. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna look at this. Look at this. Woo, woo. Boy, we out here killing them softly out here today. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hold that. I'm gonna get a little closer. Hold that. Yeah, look at me, Mercedes. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay. I see you. I see you.
Trying to get some angles, you hear me? Oh. You want this view? Need the back to look backin'. You hear me?
Yeah, look right back at me. Just like that. Yeah. Let me look at these real quick.
I can't. My hair in my face.
Yeah, it'll be all right, though. Are you ready? Come on, can you do those?
Yep. Hold on. Damn, come on here.
Hold that right there. I'm gonna get a little bit of sun play in here now.
Yeah, please get the sun.
Yeah. Yeah, hold that right there, Mercedes. Yep. 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 Oh, beautiful. Love it. I love that look. Oh, that look, I'm gonna get a little closer. Yep. Yep.
Oh, the back. See, the back is backing. You hear? You need a close up of this though, because I need it like
A close up of what?
from here
I just
up.
done a lot of those. What are you talking about?
Well,
I
okay.
can do it again though.
Yeah, do it again. Hold on. Because I practiced this one in the mirror, you hear me?
That's fine. Let me see.
You want the sun?
Actually, turn, rotate right here. Yeah. And go now. I got to. Shit.
Make sure my back ain't out.
Okay. I guess I'll do this right here for a second. Give me your back again. Yeah.
Just
From that angle. Just rotate yourself all the way. Yeah. Just like that.
this fucking hair, bro. All right.
Are you ready? Yeah, like that. Keep your hair. Sometimes the wind is a paid actor. Yeah. Yeah, hold up with your eyes closed again. Do it again. Same pose, yeah, just like that. Hold that for me for a few. Oh, here's my angle right here. Far away down. Yeah, keep right there. Here's my angle right here. Yeah. Hang on, let me look at that last one. I'm going to cut down the light just a tad bit. Yeah, hold that again. Yep. Yeah, look at me, Mercedes. Yeah. I'll get just a tad bit up. Yeah, like that. Keep on doing that right there. Yeah, good job. I like that too. Ooh, here we go, paid actor. Paid assistant right here. Coming through.
Oh. See, sometimes when the wind blows, it looks nice, but
All right, you ready?
yeah.
All right. Okay, go ahead.
I really need this hair to cooperate because it's gonna piss me off. Am I walking?
Yeah. Oh yeah, let's do it again. Hold up, I think I got that one. I don't think I need to do it no more.
Uh-huh.
Just keep walking and look back. Everyone's trying to get some of the building in on this one this time.
All right.
Let me see here. Yeah, I gotta get you right here.
Come on, wind. Let me be great. All
Go ahead and just do a practice run because I want to make sure I want to get you.
right.
Angle just right here. Shit, it's gonna work, but the issue is always the issue.
What's the issue?
My goddamn shadow. It's just gonna be in the way. I know the choice. Unless I get you right here. Yeah, that's what I put.
All right.
Just tap it, because I'm gonna try to get the back.
Yo, it is for real winding.
All right,
Wind.
let's go ahead and go. All right, let's do it again. What the? Okay. All right, hang on. I'll tell you when. Hang on.
Huh?
I'll tell you when to go. Hang on. And action. All right, let's do that again. Step on a
fucking hair, yo.
Yep.
Come on.
Over here. Yeah, it's doing you pretty good.
No, it's not. Every time I go to take a step.
Yeah, it's doing you pretty well, actually. Turn around. And go. I'm gonna stop right here.
Bro, this is fucking pissing me. It's not gonna look right because my fucking hair.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. There it is. Got it.
His hair probably right in my eyeball.
There you go.
Oh.
Like pretty cool wiggler. Let's see here. Let me kind of lean you on this thing right here. I'm gonna shoot you that way. So let's lean right there at the very edge of it. Yeah, right there. Just lean with your shoulder, not with your dress, obviously. Yeah, we are losing this light.
Yeah, I know. Bullshit.
All right, hold it, look just like that. When you look right across right there, yeah. Yeah, just a tiny bit. That's what the devil. Wait for my flash to get juiced up on these. Just chill out, hold that pose. Pop that hip closer to the wall. Really pop it, yeah. Don't touch it though. But right there, yeah. All right, one, hold that look just right there. 1, 2, and 3. All right, now give me the backside. What? Look that whole halfway.
I got something.
Yeah, keep your hand just like that, yeah. Put up for another one. Yeah, these are fire right here. 1, 2, 3, hold it. Yeah, hold it again. Yeah, hold that right there. That's what I need right there. Get a good angle. Shit, Stan, I can't get too much of the light. 1, 2, and 3. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoy the work that Mercedes and I just put in for
You.
Now, Mercedes, how did you enjoy this whole entire shoot here?
I loved it. I love outside shoots more than inside shoots.
Oh, look at that. And I am an outdoor photographer, guys. So it seems like she's trying to give me some kudos. Is that true?
Yeah.
All right, I appreciate that, guys.
Great work, SJ.
I appreciate it. As you see, guys, we found this random building, guys. We had a whole other idea in store, but it was just really busy downtown. So we had to make for what we done at the very last second. I think it actually came out pretty well, especially with the color with the white, because it's kind of how they got colorful inside. This building is a pretty nice looking building. And also the sky just kind of worked out with us in that direction as well. I think everything just kind of came together as a collective. What do you think?
Yeah. Great job on picking the location.
I appreciate that. And yes, guys, I use nothing but the on-camera flash with the 50mm. That's the one thing I used throughout this whole entire photo shoot. And yes, I really hope you tell me what your thoughts, what you think about the photos down in the comments below. And of course, if you want to work with Mercedes, Miss Mercedes Marie, my bad.
MISS dot Mercedes Marie on Instagram. Follow me.
Of course, it would have popped up on the screen by now. Of course, it's going to be in the description box below. And till the next, do you want to say anything else?
Not really.
Okay, and till the next video.
Yeah, we got some more heat coming.
Next video, guys. We got more heat coming. All right, take you. Peace.